So again, we have, so this is the HQ3, a function x to the 6th plus 7 divided by x to the 5th. We'll take the first derivative and then we'll take the second derivative. So we find the first and second derivatives of the function. So take the first derivative first. So this is a sum of two functions. So it's going to be d by dx of x to the 6th plus d by dx of the second function. So we keep the constant outside and we differentiate x to the negative 5th. So the derivative of x to the 6th is 6x to the 5th plus 7 times the derivative of x to the negative 5th is negative 5 x to the negative 5 minus 1, so that's negative 6. So we subtract 1 from the exponent. Simplifying, we get 6x to the 5th minus 7 times 5, 35, x to the negative 6th. Now, if we had to stop here, I would bring the x to the negative 6th to the denominator and make it x to the 6th. But now, since we have to find the second derivative, I'm going to just leave it at that. I differentiate the first derivative once again. So it is 6 d by dx of x to the 5th minus 35 d by dx of x to the negative 6. So this is equal to 6 times 5x to the 4th minus 35 times negative 6x to the negative 6 minus 1. So this is equal to 6 times 5 is 30, x to the 4th plus 35 times 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, x to the negative 7. So this is equal to 30x to the 4th. Now, since this is where we're going to stop, we will change the negative exponents to positive exponents by moving the expression down to the denominator.